Hi, I'm Darian Dorsey, Deputy Associate Director for the Consumer Response and Education Division at the CFPB. I'm excited to highlight the Complaint Explorer capability now available through the government portal. We've heard from our government partners that you need access to both complaint information and tools to analyze complaints. Complaint Explorer is one such tool. It's also the exact same tool we use here at the CFPB. We developed Complaint Explorer over several years with input from our CFPB colleagues who work on enforcement, supervision, and fair lending matters, as well as our colleagues who do research, market monitoring, and regulations work. We've always wanted to go beyond securely sharing data to provide user-tested tools that help our users glean insights and collaborate to take action. You can access Complaint Explorer by logging into the government portal as usual. You will see familiar features that give you the ability to refer complaints to the CFPB, to submit a support ticket, and more. But I'd like to highlight a few key features that we've added with Complaint Explorer. We've added several filters, including new geographic filters like city, metropolitan statistical area, and congressional district. You can also visualize complaint volume on a map and add demographic layers. You can visualize complaint trends with product, issue, company, and more, and can customize the time period and style of graph. Also, you can now search complaints and consumer and company-provided attachments. You can save your searches to your My Explorer page and come back to them later. We've also curated a set of more than 50 themes that complement consumers' product and issue selections, and that you can use to quickly filter complaints with narratives that include terms related to the selected theme, such as auto loan advertising or account opening bonus. If you find a complaint that's interesting, you can select See More Like This narrative. Complaint Explorer will then find all complaints the CFPB has received with similar narratives since July of 2011. You can use the Compare feature to select one company and have Complaint Explorer show that company's complaints in the context of companies with similar complaint patterns. You can also customize the comparison to add or remove companies to see relative similarities and differences. Whatever you find, whether it's a set of complaints, a compelling graph, or anything in between, you can copy the link and send it to any other active user of Complaint Explorer at your agency, or at another agency, or at the CFPB. Once the user logs into the secure government portal, they can open the link and will see what you're seeing. This is designed to keep data secure while facilitating collaboration. We hope this will both facilitate collaboration within your own agency and teams and support interagency coordination. These are just a few of the highlights. If you already have access, we hope you'll check out Complaint Explorer through the government portal at portal.consumerfinance.gov/government. Once in Complaint Explorer, you'll find the Learning Resources tab with short 1 to 3 minute videos that will guide you through using Complaint Explorer and many of its features, as well as downloadable data and user guides. If you have questions as you're using Complaint Explorer, send us a support ticket via the government portal. We'd be happy to assist, schedule demos, get you added to an upcoming webinar, and more. If you need access to the government portal or have other questions, start with our colleagues in Intergovernmental Affairs at iga@cfpb.gov.